Today, I'm going to dress up the trunk on my Chevy Encore. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda out here with my Chevy Encore. This is how it looks like stock. This is also work on your Chevy Trax as well. And I got a trunk liner made out of a PU leather that we're going to put in here. Let's check it out. So this is what I ordered. It was pretty inexpensive. I've had these before. They're pretty cheap, but they're kind of cool looking. They definitely dress up trunks. As you can see, this one has the Buick logo embroidered in it, and this is like a PU type of leather. It's got nice pebbling on there, but man, this one's a little different. A lot of these are diamond stitch, but this one is a little bit more traditional. Looks like a carpet here. It should fit the trunk. And then on this side, what we have is some sort of like fuzzy, hairy back here, so it won't slide around too much. So it's really not much to show in terms of installation. It just kind of sits right back here, and looks like it fits right in the trunk, just like that. Looks pretty good. You can get them in different colors. I got it in red to stand out just a little bit, be a little unique, but man, that's what that sucker looks like. And the nice thing about it, it kind of protects this in case you have something that drips. You put in Fresca and some of it leaks. This might catch some of it. I like it too because you throw in some sporting equipment, some camping equipment. It's dirty. It's going to catch this. I'd rather sacrifice this. That was only like $40 instead of, the carpet here, which is not going to be easily replaceable. And stuff gets in it. It's not going to be super easy to clean either. So, like I said, it's got some folds in it where I just took it out of the package here, but I think it looks pretty good. Pretty easy to install. Hey, it's a nice little way to personalize your Buick or Chevy Trax. If you want to pick this up, I'll put links to them in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than ever thanks to Peter Von Panda.